Today, we are going to cover computer languages. A computer language or programming language is a system of commands used to develop programs of computers. A computer program is a set of instructions for the computer. While writing a program in particular computer languages, the symbols of the language must be used as per a set of rules known as the syntax of the language. Syntax is quite similar to the formula of mathematics. Computer language can be classified into three categories. The first category is machine language or low-level language. In machine language, each instruction is written in the form of a string of zeros and ones. Machine language is directly understood by the computer, but it is very difficult for the programmers to write, as it comes with zeros and ones. Programs written in machine language can be executed very quickly by the computer because the instruction can be processed directly by the CPU and no translation of the program is required. Because the internal design of computers can vary from one type to another, machine language is also different for different types of computers. The second category is assembly language or middle-level language. The first programming language using English was developed in 1950, which is known as assembly language. Assembly language is easier to write than machine language, as each instruction is written using codes of letters to denote the operation to be performed and the addresses of operands. Assembly language is machine dependent. The programmer must have detailed knowledge of the structure of the computer for which the program is being written. An assembly language program written for one computer cannot be used in any other computer, as the internal design of computers can vary from one type to another. Each processor has its own set of instructions and hence its own assembly language. The third category is high-level languages or fourth-generation languages. High-level languages are similar to the English language. They use English words, mathematical symbols, and numbers. They are machine independent. That is, a program written in high-level language can run on different types of computers with very little or practically no modification. Some examples of latest high-level languages are Java, C, C++, C#, Python, VB or Visual Basic, Delphi, Perl, Ruby, and PHP. Some features of high-level languages. It uses English words and phrases. It's very program-friendly. Enhance programming efficiency. Use icons, graphical interface, and symbolic representations. Prolog. An artificial intelligence language is an example of fourth generation language.